Hey everyone, it's Kyle DeVries with Health Benefits Associates. I am here at DoughBoys Donuts in Sparks, one of Health Benefits' clients. I am with Amy Rowan, the owner of DoughBoys. She recently just purchased DoughBoys, so I know you weren't the original owner, but can you tell me a little bit about the history and what inspired you to take over?
Yeah. So the Kenny family, as many people know in this community, owned all of the DoughBoys donuts in town, and they still own one in Damani, and we purchased 2 of them from them. We were very fortunate because the Kenny family did a fantastic job of branding and product creation. They have wonderful donuts, and we had the opportunity to jump in, and we happily did so.
I can see by the case behind us, you've got a lot of options. What's your most popular option, as well as maybe your favorite?
Yes, so raised glaze is by far our most popular. Everybody loves the classic raised glaze donut. I think apple fritter is probably one that brings people into the store. They love it. It's quite delicious if you haven't tried it. My personal favorite, hands down, is the buttermilk bar. It is underrated and it's so delicious with a cup of coffee. You can't go wrong.
No, you really can't. I mean, mine's the jelly filled. I would get that all the time before going skiing in the morning.
Yeah.
Now, the holidays are coming up. Do you have anything planned for them, or what special things do you have?
Sure. And right now we are just putting out our pumpkin cake donut. Everybody loves pumpkin this time of year and has been asking us. So this week it's out. So the Northwest store already has it. Sparks will have it tomorrow. And then for the holidays, we're always available to do some customer orders if you wanted to do Christmas trees or any kind of Christmas themed donut. We can do that for you. So yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you guys being able to do that for us. Now, what can we do for you to help support you guys?
I know. Well, just come on in and visit us. Our hours are pretty extensive. Most donut shops, I think people think, close pretty early. We open at 5 and we close at 7 at the Sparks store and 8 at the Northwest Reno store. So come in for dessert after dinner or for breakfast, either way. And we just love to see you. We love our community, and just come on in and visit us.
Great. Well, thank you, Amy, for your time. I appreciate that. Once again, this is Amy Rowan of DoughBoys Donuts here in Sparks. My name is Kyle DeVries with Health Benefits Associates. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.